We've all seen those Instagram posts with the $25,000 floral ceiling or more of real florals, and they are beautiful, but not everybody can afford that. So we have these new silk flower garlands. They're petals, and you just hang these from the ceiling. Each petal is attached to the next with monofilament line. They come in a variety of different colors and sizes. So for each color that we carry a small and a large petal. The large petals, here's a size comparison. The large petal strands are 6.5 feet long, and the short petal strands, the small petals, are 5.5 feet long. So you could intersperse them, use them together, use different colors together. We also have leaves. This is a sunflower leaf. This is an oak leaf and an oak leaf in fall colors. And we also have some sort of other leaf in the small size here. We have a lot of different colors of pinks. We have cream, off-white, white, pure white, and we have a shimmery, a barely shimmery, not tacky at all, silver and gold. They are, I'm not sure that that'll show on the video, but they are just barely shimmery, so it won't look gaudy. They're just very soft colors that we had made for us because we didn't like the really bright and crazy looking colors. So we have this in gold and silver. And if there are any other colors that you need, we can get those done for you as well. The details on these are gorgeous. Each petal has veins. No matter what kind you get, there are very intricate veins. So looking down, they look beautiful, and looking up, they look beautiful. So what your guests will see is the underneath side, and it's still really stunning. So we can't wait to see what you guys do with these. If you